Right now with us, we've got someone very important to talk to about a social issue. Let's talk to him about this. May I know what your name is so that...
My name is Kapil Kaul.
And can you tell us about this Save the Children campaign or the NGO?
Well, I work with Save the Children and we've started this campaign called Everyone. This campaign is about every year across the world more than 9 million children die under the age of 5. Out of that, 2 million children die in India, and which is the worst, which is the highest for any single country. And what we are trying to do is, and majority of these children die because of things like diarrhea, pneumonia, malnutrition, malaria, which is all controllable. We started this campaign called Everyone, with which we are trying to reduce this mortality rate, bring down the number of children that are dying every year in our country.
So, I mean, how do you go about with the whole thing?
Okay. Currently, we are working as a part of this program. We are working in 2 states, which is Rajasthan and West Bengal. We work with communities in villages, with local ground level partners. We involve the local community, village folk, and talk to them about the importance of breastfeeding. Okay, the importance of vaccination, then the right kind of diet for children, a balanced diet, what is the kind of food that children should be eating, what is the kind of food that mothers should be eating, who pregnant women are eating, or young lactating mothers should be eating. So that's how, taking your message down to villages, then the importance of healthcare, having deliveries in hospitals instead of at homes.
But now that you're doing this, what kind of a response are you getting from different places? Is it positive everywhere, or...?
The response is very good. Like I've shown, the campaign is called Everyone. The reason being, we're trying to involve everyone in this campaign, starting from general public at large, celebrities, corporates, people who are affected by this thing, then the NGOs who are supporting them, the organization, and the government also.
So now that Kala Ghoda has given you a slot here, what do you feel about it, and what do you feel about Kala Ghoda in general? Kala
Ghoda in general is a fantastic place. I've been coming here for the last 4 or 5 years, just love it. Now that I'm part of an NGO, I've come here, we're getting some fabulous response from people who've come in terms of, you can see, as a part of the signature campaign, the boards are already full. We'll have to replace them tonight. And people are supporting, they're trying to understand the campaign and the cause, and they're lending their support towards it.
Our last question, what do you think of Mumbai in general?
Mumbai is one of the best cities in the world to live in. Although it's become a bit congested, the infrastructure is crumbling over the last few years, but still, it's the city to be in.
Thank you so much. So thank you for your time. Guys, Mumbai is a fantastic city. Everything is there. But to bhi yahan pe itne deaths ho rahe? Not cool. So not cool. So, listen to people, do things right, take care of yourself, and just chill.